dance numbers. We hope that you all enjoyed spending your morning here in the Quantico with your newfound friends, the South American Sea Lions. We also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what you do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions cannot survive in a trash-filled environment, so let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. We can learn more about this inside our ocean art.